But anyway, okay, let me get back. Sorry, I didn't mean to go off on that tangent. I went a few times and I would not go a couple times. All right. Did Ben Fields go more regularly to those poker games than you would go? Yeah, that I know of. Aside from yourself and Ben, were any other persons who got invited to those parties who also worked for the Letcher County Sheriff's Office? I can't say if anybody else was invited. It wasn't my place to ask who was coming. It was his house, and it wasn't my place to ask. Well, okay. But it was just mostly friends. Aside from yourself and Ben, did you ever see any other Letcher County Sheriff's Office employees at those parties? Nope. Did you ever see any other courthouse employees at those poker parties? Not that I can recall. Did Judge Mullins or Judge Kraft ever attend those poker parties? Not when I was there. I understand. That is what I'm asking, just to your knowledge. Yeah, because come on now. Remember, I suspect that everybody involved in this civil lawsuit knew to stay away from any questions really involving Judge Mullins. And we'll see. We'll see. Let's see how many questions they ask him about that. There's one. But all they asked him was, did they come to Mickey Stein's poker parties? That's it so far. I understand. Do you recall ever talking with Sheriff Steins about his work as the home incarceration officer? I have never really, not really. Really? Whatever. I did not talk to him about it. He said that he had done it for quite a few years, I believe, but that was about it. Okay. Had anyone ever told you anything about Mickey Steins having a sexual relationship with a person on home incarceration? I'm sorry. Can you repeat that? Have you ever heard anything about Mickey Steins having a sexual relationship with a person on home incarceration? Now they're asking him about Mickey. They're not asking him about Ben. No, I've never heard any conversation like that. Okay, have you ever had anyone tell you anything about Sheriff Steins having a sexual relationship with a person outside of his marriage? Possibly. Okay, explain that to me. I can't say. He has talked about other women, but it says woman, so that's singular. I don't know when he was married or anything like that. I can't say. I realize. Just tell me what you heard. Just that he had, I guess, slept some other woman or some woman. So, you see how that drives me crazy? I guess slept some other woman, singular, or some woman, singular. Like, it completely messes up the entire thing for me. But remember, I'm not a lawyer, so I don't know. Does anybody else know? Does this crap stand up in a court of law? Would this deposition, if the judge or somebody, a lawyer, had to refer to a section in here, if they had to refer to that section right there, I slept some other woman or some woman, how would they be able to show what he was even meaning? I would want my money back. These are civil lawsuits that are like this civil lawsuit triggered a criminal investigation. I mean, we just read the newspaper article on a man who was just recommended 3 life sentences. This is really, really important stuff. And the fact that it's not that important to these people just shocks me.